Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Grammarly extension easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Grammarly website by typing www.grammarly.com in the address bar. Once on the home page, look for the apps option in the menu. Click on apps to access the available downloads. Locate the section for browser extensions. Select the browser you are using, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Click on the corresponding download link for your browser. You'll be redirected to the browser's extension store. For Chrome, click on the Add to Chrome button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. You will see a notification once the extension is installed. Look for the Grammarly icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on the icon to sign in or create a new Grammarly account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once signed in, Grammarly is ready to use. Open any web page or text field to start writing. Grammarly will automatically check your writing for errors. If needed, customize Grammarly settings through the extension menu. Enjoy improved writing with Grammarly's real-time suggestions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.